I met someone years ago who was cheating on his wife. His wife was in India. He was here in Canada. And instead of working hard to bring his wife to Canada, he was cheating on his wife with another lover. Guess what? Because God is so loving, God gave him a dream. And he saw himself in hell, worms eating his body. And he had this dream 3 times because God did not want him to be cheating on his wife. God was warning him. And he ended up repenting of his sins and giving his life to Jesus Christ. Some of you, God has been warning you through your dreams. God tells you about things that will come to pass in your life, but you continuously ignore God. You know what? There is absolutely no excuses on Judgment Day. You know why? Because the world is proof that there is a creator. When you look at the fact that the world has purpose, you see creativity and you see design, you know that you did not evolve from a monkey. The people are suppressing the truth about God in their unrighteousness. It is not that there's not enough evidence of God. It is because people don't want God to exist. And so, some people create their own gods. Some people have designed their own God, a figment of their own imagination. That is why people worship all sorts of things, because they want to get to heaven their own way. And Jesus says, it will ultimately lead you to destruction. Just take a look. Look at how complex DNA is. DNA, the instruction book of life that gives instructions to every cell in your body. How can DNA put itself together? It is impossible, my friends. This world shows
He who created you.
Yeah.
And if he say he refused you, then what's the point you live?
You know the reason why he refuses them?
Yeah.
It's because they practiced iniquity. Meaning that they weren't interested in following him.
No,
they were interested in living in sin.
No, and you can't say this. I was saying a friend the other day, and this is true. You can't say you believe in God. Believing God and knowing God is 2 different things.
Oh yes, yeah.
But when you say about God, because it's a common word, I say you can't say you believe in the Lord, but then you don't know Him, right?
Yeah.
So I'm very happy.
It's a relationship.
Yes, it's a relationship you cannot explain.
Wow.
We're not preaching religion.
Oh,
we are preaching relationship.
That's what she's saying. She believes in relationship over religion.
I don't believe in religion because religion is man-made.
Yeah. Did you grow up Christian?
From out of Mount Belly, I'm a Jew.
Oh.
But I'm a Messianic Jew.
Messianic Jew. Wow.
But I from out of my mother womb.
Wow. Yeshua HaMashiach.
I think of all my siblings, it was only I.
Yeah.
Knew the Lord, but somewhere along as you grew older, I went exiled, but I thank God.
Yeah.
But I didn't know Him then, like
Wow.
I know Him now.
Yeah. Because now that you know that Jesus is the
my God.
HaMashiach.
And I thank Him for His blood every day.
Oh my goodness.
Had it not His blood, I would not believe.
I know.
Yeah, so I don't believe in religion.
Yeah.
But I'm a Jew. But I'm a Messianic Jew.
Messianic Jews, yeah.
Because the Messianic Jews, when you believe in Jesus.
Well, I'm very familiar. I had a friend who was an evangelist, who was a Messianic Jew.
Yeah.
And he used to preach alongside with us when I used to minister in Scarborough.
Oh.
It's beautiful that, God is calling everyone, the Jews and the Gentiles, in the last days.
It is.
Yeah.
But I grew up in Pentecost.
Yeah.
But I didn't know much.
Yeah.
The way I know God now.
Mm-hmm.
To be honest,
Yeah, it's a continuous journey. You have to go.
I didn't know. Like, I wish if I could turn the clock back.
Yeah.
But we thank God for His love.
Yeah.
And so I applaud you guys. May the Lord give you guys strength.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, have a blessed day.
You too. God
And
bless
may
you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you for stopping us and also.
I want to hear that because you have to be careful.
Yeah.
I do. I don't
Yeah.
I don't jump from church to church.
Yeah.
I don't believe in that.
You have to go where the Holy Spirit leads you. I don't think the Holy Spirit would just bounce you
No, but the Bible
all over the
says
place.
that
Yeah.
You have to seek God where you should, in Deuteronomy where you
Yeah.
should go.
Yeah. The
And
Holy Spirit will lead you to the
when I
place.
started out where I was lost,
Yeah.
He took me out.
Amen.
And as I start learning Him,
Yeah.
because knowing Him and believing Him is two different
Yeah.
things.
Yeah.
But I know Him.
It's just like a parachute, right?
Yeah.
There's a difference between knowing a parachute can save your life and put it on. Difference between knowing a seatbelt can save your life and putting on a seatbelt.
Yeah.
And sometimes that you have to explain to people, it's not about the knowledge of God alone. It's what you do with that knowledge.
And you cannot say you know Him, but then you walk in the iniquities. Because
Yeah,
many
yeah.
believe it in God.
That's
And
unfortunate.
I don't agree with that. I
Yeah,
don't.
yeah.
Because
The
if
Holy
you know Him,
Jesus' blood is
you
precious.
You have the fear of God.
Yeah, yeah.
You don't get into condemnation.
Mhm.
Right? So, no, but anyway.
Yes, God bless you.